Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how we can link our Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra with your Windows PC. So in order to do this, first on our smartphone we want to open the settings, and then in the settings go to connected devices, and over here we have link to Windows. Let's tap on this option. Now over here we will load the option to sign in, and we can also find the option to sign in using the QR code on your PC. So now let's switch to PC for a second. So on your PC, you want to search for Phone Link app, which should be installed on your Windows. And then over here, you can choose Android. Now over here, we'll see the QR code. So I'm gonna scan it with my Samsung. So I'm gonna choose using the QR code. And now I need to hold the camera onto the QR code. There we go. And now we will see this window where we need to link your mobile device to your Microsoft account. So let's press continue. And over here we need to enter the code. And the code is visible on the Phone Link app on Windows. So let me enter the code quickly. There we go. Let's press continue. In my case, I have to also get the code from email. So I'm gonna press send code, and then I'm gonna wait for the code, and then I'm gonna enter it over here. And after that, you want to press sign in button. After that, you will see a bunch of different notifications, or actually permissions that you want to grant. However, in this case, you also have help us improve link to Windows by sending usage data to Microsoft. I'm gonna actually deny this one. But if you see anything else, then you want to grant access. So you will grant access to media of your smartphone and so on and so forth. So once we have that, we can press done. And now we have some settings that we can also manage over here. Like we can use mobile data, we can enable instant hotspot, we can add to apps screen and so on and so forth. But now let me switch back to PC. And on PC, it should look like this. We are all set. So if I press continue, then we have the phone link like the welcome information. We can enable the option to open the phone link when I sign into Windows. I don't want to do that. We can press get started, and we have some options that we can start with in order to familiarize ourselves with this app. But I'm gonna actually skip. Over here you can see the messages, we can go to photos, we can go to apps, and we can even start an app. So let's say I'm gonna go with, let's open the camera, because why not? And now after opening the app on our smartphone, we will see the request to start recording or casting with link to Windows. So we want to grant the permission to start sharing the screen. On the smartphone it looks like this. And on PC we can actually see the camera. So I can even switch to different modes with my mouse, etc. I can change stuff. As you can see, we can fully use it. We can even zoom like so. And yeah, so it works pretty well. If I close it, then I will go back to the same settings as before on my device. And that's pretty much it. Over here in the top left corner, we can even see some information about our device, like the battery percentage and so on and so forth. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!